All right, let's take a look at the latest updates from Photoshop 2024. So what they did is they actually dropped the futurists from Photoshop beta into Photoshop. So let's check out these updates. All right, I'm gonna press the letter C for crop, press and hold Alt, and we're gonna expand the image like this. And as you can see, we got this taskbar here, and click on generate. Wait a couple of seconds until it's going to load up here, and boom, look at that. It completed the empty space, and you can see here it's in a new layer. You can uncheck it, and you also got it in the right here, different backgrounds, which you can change it. And of course, you can generate even more if you will. Now let's select the lasso, and I'm gonna change up the shoes. So I'm gonna select the shoe, and press and hold shift. I'm also gonna select the other one, and I'm gonna change it from Reebok to Nike. So I'm gonna click on generate fill, and I'm gonna type in Nike shoes. Click on generate, and you can switch them, and you can generate more if you want. Now if you would like to remove some elements, you always can select that area and click on generate fill, click on generate, and it's going to remove it just like that. Now, as you can see, we also get this floating taskbar right here that you can move around. Usually this is kind of annoying, so you can just put it away. You can click on these three dots and pin bar position. It is going to stay there, or you can go to the three dots, click on hide bar, and you can go to Windows and eventually go down to the contextual taskbar to reactivate it. And we got a couple of options here. And as you can see, we got a new transform icon here, which basically cannot be clicked. So I'm gonna duplicate the letter, press Ctrl J, and now you can click on it and you can flip it however you like. You also can select the subject or remove background. And they basically added this masking options here. You can click on subtract for mask. This is going to remove elements from the image, and you can add to mask. This is going to add the background back how it was before. You can also deactivate the mask, and you got some more mask options here. Black and white, overlay, and so on and so forth. Now they also added the new remove tool. You can select it here. So basically this removes whatever you want. It works the same exact way as the other remove tools. This one is a little bit more precise, that's for sure. And what is going on here? This didn't remove, it changed the letter N. What was before? I don't even know. But let's check it out again. I'm gonna select it. I think this is the generative fill in action. Okay, so it's getting smaller and smaller. It's interesting, it's interesting. So finally it removed it. Usually it works way better than this. Now you also can uncheck the remove after each stroke. So you can select the image, and you can also complete it with another one. And then click on this check mark. Now it's gonna remove it. Now in order to make it non-destructive, you can create a new layer. I'm gonna create a new layer here, and I'm gonna go and check the sample all layers. And now I'm gonna select this letter, hit the checkbox, it removes, and as you can see, it's on this layer, which is pretty cool. And not at least, they updated the gradient tool, and it works some like this. You also can switch it up here, and look at that. So basically this works the same exact way as in Adobe Illustrator. You can modify it here or outside. And these are the Photoshop 2024 updates. Thanks for watching.